Alright guys, so welcome to today's character editor video right here. And in today's episode, I'm gonna show you the third way to create hair. And this one is just a combination of the past two. So this video is quite unnecessary in my opinion, but I'm still gonna do it just to, just to have it at the end so that nobody can complain about not having made a video on that. So I'm gonna show you how to combine both methods now. So what you're going to do is that we are going to create this obligatory circle right here, okay? Sort of circle from the last video. But not like this. Wait, it has been a long time since I've created hair. I used to do so in 2021, so I've created a lot of hair around that time. But yeah. So you do this, and then you click on it, extrude it, increase the size, and then you just try to cover up the head, so the upper part of the head, the scalp. All right. There we go. Now let's pull it down here. All right. So next thing we want to do. So I'm not gonna close this part right here. Although, wait, let me actually close it. So I was about to leave this part right here open, but that's not a good idea, and I'm gonna show you why later on. Hope that I do not forget it. So what we're going to do now is that we are going to create a bunch of cuts right here. So there we go. And now we want to delete all of this stuff right here. So front face, so that the front face is open to us. Delete vertices. There we go. Now let's delete those parts. Let's actually do it this way. So let's wait. Man, how is this even possible? Come on, how was I able to select these? Never mind. So delete this part, add this mirror modifier to it, and there you go. Now we only have to deal with this part. There you go. So select these, please. Come on. And there we go. Now you can... I don't know how this is possible. How can I select random ass stuff right here while I'm just clicking around here? How is this possible? So let's play around with this hairline right here. There we go. So, okay, so this is the stuff you guys already know about from the last video, okay? Now, if you want to combine everything you have seen in the last video with the stuff you have learned from the first video, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. So we've now created this stuff right here. Now, upon this stuff, you can start to create this. So the curve, so the bezier curve with the bezier circle. All right. So select this. Go to, where was it? Yeah, it was right here. Select the circle as a bevel object, select your curve, shrink this part down, shrink this down. There we go. Now wait, there we go. Now let's take this. Wait, can we? No, we cannot. Wait, we can do it this way. So let's rotate it by 90 degrees. Let's rotate it by 90 degrees again. And then let's move it like this. Now select both, shrink both down like this. extrude once again. And then I hope that you guys understand what I'm trying to do right here. So now trying to build upon this foundation we've just laid, all right? And this is the way in how you can do this. So this is the way in how you can combine both parts right here. Now, let me explain you what I was about to do formally. So I was about to leave this part right here, so this upper part of the head, so the scalp right here, open to, you know, just add all of these bezier curves upon it. Okay, so like this. So this is just to demonstrate it, how it could look like. Of course, if you put more effort into it, it would look amazing. But this is just to demonstrate how it would look like, guys. So I was about to do that because I was like, yeah, so we are gonna place a bunch of bezier curves on the top of the head anyway, so you won't be even able to see the actual upper part of the head. But there is a problem with this method, okay, or with using bezier curves for hairs in general. So that's a method that's a problem. Sorry, that's a problem which happens to me. I don't know if it happens to any other people who do this method, because I do not talk about that kind of stuff. But the problem for me is that I can try to place as many parts or as many curves as I want to, and I can try to place them as dense as I want to. Somewhere around the head we still have a gap, okay, a gap in which you're able to see the scalp, the head of the actual player right here. And having this part on top of the head, which I did not leave out right here, so having that ensures that the gaps are not visible, okay? So that's the reason why I have covered up this whole part right here and didn't leave this upper part right here open. So I've said that I wanted to keep it open. You guys probably don't even know what I'm trying to point out. So keeping it open would look like this, okay? So that was my first plan, but it is better to have it covered up so that you can, yeah, really do something about the gaps, okay? So gaps really tend to happen. They do not happen to everyone. They happen often to me, but yeah, that's just how it is, guys. Now, with that being said, I hope that this was helpful to you. So that's the third method. I'm not gonna create a complete hair on this because I'm too lazy, okay? So this is just to demonstrate to you how it could look like. So that's how you combine both methods, guys. With that being said, thanks for watching. See ya.